Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And I'm just excited to let you guys know that my car got accepted to Motorama and Import Expo. So today I'm here at Dreamtech Auto and we're gonna be installing my wheels in preparation of Motorama. The reason why I said there's only 2 shows that I register my car is because I didn't register for Driven yet, for a reason that my girlfriend is pregnant.
Hello.
It's Tessa. If you guys wondering who's holding the camera, in a few times that it's her that's holding the camera. That's all I can say. And the wheels that I'm gonna be using for this upcoming show are BMW Style 404, custom painted for Motorama, and I hope my new wheels will get here before Import Expo. Vinny here is working on another BMW 5 Series, I guess. I'm just guessing.
Yep.
Is it?
530i, 2003.
Ooh. You're sitting, there's a bunch of BMWs here. Look at that wagon.
We're gonna buy that car.
I want that car. Someday. And another E90.
You actually really want it.
Yeah, I really wanted the wagon. Yeah, my girlfriend saying, yeah, I really wanted the wagon. For the baby, obviously. And that's my car. With the winter setup. Or storage setup, I would say. I'm gonna sell out wheels. So I'm not using this car for winters at all. Done. Not driving the car for winter at all. Right? Right? I hope so.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
By the way, I forgot to mention this. As you guys noticed, some of you guys, well, most of you guys know that I love my roof rack. It's off the car. Main reason is we're doing something on it. Well, not me. I asked someone to do something to it. You guys will see it in Motorama, or I'll probably make another video for that later on.
Or check it out on Instagram when it comes in.
Or that one, whatever she say. And big shout out to PDM for installing my front lip. I believe I'm the first one to have it here in Toronto, so yeah. I have a video of that one too. I'll probably show that later on. So, like some behind the scene of when they're installing it. It's a lot.
You tried fixing it? No.
Yeah. That can be fixed though, right? Yeah, I saw it. I saw the crease on this side and the big dent Oh, I didn't see the bottom one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. It's reflecting. There's like 3 things. Oh man. Well, he's gonna fix it. Darren here will be fixing my dent.
From Magic Dent.
Magic dent?
Yeah, from Magic Dent.
Okay, it's flexing. They see a few more waves, but I don't see it. I don't see it anymore, honestly. I don't see any more dent, but he's still doing some more stuff to it. Look at this, guys. We're all just watching him. We're a big fan. Touching up the stone chips. Oh, so much. Look at that. From the previous lip. Better. I don't see it anymore at all. Thank you. So we're wrapping it up tonight, and big shout out to Vinny from Dreamtech Auto for installing my wheels, my summer wheels, putting it on, and also big shout out to Deron from Magic Dent for fixing all the dents in my car and going further and touching up all the stone chip in front of my bumper. So I'm gonna put the links down below. Check it out. Thank you for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please smash that like button. Peace.